time you're gonna see these? Or is the last time you're gonna see those brakes like that? Because we're going big brakes, baby. Now we got the big boys. We are going big brakes on all four corners, the back, the front. But let's show you what it comes with and why I chose Power Stop. Damn, she looks beautiful. But yeah, so we are gonna start with it. That's what you get. So these are the front brakes. They come in two different boxes. It comes in a big box like that, and then inside of that is two more small boxes. So you open it up and voila, here are the brakes. All right, let's take them out real quick. Look at these. These are gorgeous. They might look a little bit small on camera, maybe, but these are really big, to be honest. So once you open the box, that's what you get, Power Stop brakes. These are just like the AKEBONOs. Some people are gonna hate and they're gonna say, oh, it's not gonna be the same or whatever. Yes, it is. These are AKEBONO calipers. They're just named Power Stop because Power Stop remanufactured them, which is not bad because Power Stop is actually a pretty big name for the brakes. So yeah, you get the calipers, and inside you get these. But that's all you get. There's nothing else really. You just get the brakes and you get those things. Alright, let's go to the back ones. Alright, and these are the rear, guys. Pretty much the same thing. Two pistons. Says Power Stop. These go in the rear of the car, so these are pretty heavy too. So these are the AKEBONO big brakes. They're just remanufactured from Power Stop. That's why they have the Power Stop logo. But it's the same thing. Some people will say no, it's not. Some people say yeah. If you want to pay over $2 grand, go with the name AKEBONOs. If you want to spend half of that or less, go with Power Stop, which is still good. So same deal. You get the caliper, and inside you get these things. But wait, there's more. Right there. As you guys know, once you do the big brake upgrade, for those, your stock ones don't fit. They're too small, so you got to get bigger ones. From a 370Z Sport, the Q50 Sport or something like that. All right, this is pretty damn heavy, so this is what I went with. These things are huge. So these are the rotors that I went with. These are from R1 Concept. Let's lay this thing flat. So yeah, these are the rotors I went with. R1 Concept, slotted and drilled. Better cooling with this, and then cleaner disc with this. I think that's what it is, right? This is like to clean your, not to clean it, but like, I don't know, to get like debris or little rocks or something like out of the the surface of the the surface of the rotor or something like that. But yeah, that's what we got so far. Rotor from R1 Concept, and then Power Stop brakes. These are huge. Anyways, that's what we went with, R1 Concept, because pretty much everyone in the forum goes with, or a lot of people go with R1 Concept, and I read, you know, the reviews, and I read this and I read that, and I wanted quality brakes and quality disc on my car. I didn't want that eBay, you know, cheap things that will warp once they get hot. So these should be good, and these are heavy as hell. So these are plated in zinc, I think it's called zinc or whatever, to like prevent rust from like this area or all that. So they should be looking good for a while. The moment you guys been waiting for. Why did I go with PowerStop? PowerStop is still a good company. They make big brakes for other cars, Brembo brakes, this and that, and a lot of cars who race use the brand PowerStop. There are some people who, if it doesn't say AKEBONOs, they won't get it. But here's the thing: if you want to save money, you can still get the AKEBONOs with a different name. Ah, you see? I read the reviews. Literally, people who've had these AKEBONO brakes buy these PowerStop brakes, and they say it's the same stopping power, same everything. So why would you spend more when you can get this one? 2 pistons and 2. So there's a 4 piston one, and these are the 2 pistons for the rear. We're gonna need this. We're gonna be using this, or we're gonna need it. I'm not gonna say too much, but we're gonna need that. These came like a little beat up. Has like a scratch here, a couple scratch here, somewhere else, whatever. But we're not keeping the red. Oh no, we don't. Red is not going on the car. We have another color going on there. That's pretty much it. It was just a quick video of unboxing like what I got and showing you guys. I was too excited, I couldn't wait, so I just had to make a quick video and show you guys what I got. Since the last video, I've been having a lot of questions of where I got them, you know, and the links. People are asking me for links. I will have a link in the description of the video. So I will have the link in the description of the video, and I will also have a link in the comments. I will try to put one, but to pretty much this, I'm gonna try to get a link for these, because you can get a package, this one with like brake pads. So I'm gonna try to get a link for this one, and I'm gonna have a link for this one and this one. So who's ready? Thumbs up if you're ready for the big brakes to be installed on the car. Don't listen to what other people have to say. If this is the one you want, go get it, even if it's not the name it's supposed to be or whatever. They do run out fast, so I suggest you get them while they're still at a cheap price, because there's a pretty cheap price for these brakes. They were cheaper, and then they went up, and now I got them for whatever price I got them here, and then they're gonna go up again. So I suggest you guys, if you're gonna do it, act quick, get PowerStop, because they will go up in price once they notice a lot of traffic and all that, and they have good reviews. So we got the big calipers, big ass rotors. We got to get the pads, the lines. Yup. Oh, did I just say the lines? Oh crap, not again. All right guys, I'm gonna catch you later. Peace.